tell you later if it's got his in my case.
Okay, well, we're not going to have it for one second.
Everything's secure here.
All right, you can all be seated. You can all be seated. 2014 CR 53, State versus Joshua L. Millian. He is in court with attorneys Greg Myers and Millie Lane. And Greg Myers from the State of Ohio Public Defender's Office, Millie Lane from Asheville County Public Defender's Office. Mr. Myers. And to the defendant, you have a right to retain counsel, even if guilty, and a right to a reasonable continuance to secure counsel. You have a right to have counsel. You have a right to continuance to secure counsel, and a right to have counsel assigned without cost if you're unable to employ counsel. You have a right to bail if it's a bailable offense. You need to make no statement at any point in the proceedings, and the statement can and may be used against you. And you cannot be brought to trial unless you've been served with a copy of the indictment, which I'm going to read to the defendant in just a moment. And I show that he was served on March 31st, 2014. Is that right, counsel?
Today, as the court knows and just read the charges, he's facing very serious charges. I believe that he's a flight risk, and we're asking for a $1 million cash or surety bond.
All right. I'll set the bond at $1 million, cash or surety, 10% rule, with a further provision there be a no contact with Macy Powell. All right.
Yeah, we understand there's another charge or a misdemeanor related sentence also imposed.
Time starts on this case February 7th, 2014. He's currently incarcerated in county jail on unrelated misdemeanor charges, so time is running 1 for 1.
All right, I show here that it states that it starts on February 6, 2014 through February 10th, 2014, and then he's got 5 additional days in jail, and that's disputed by defense, correct?
Well, maybe there is no dispute if we agree.
Right, there is no dispute.
All right. It appears that there are 10 days in jail, and who is the judge?
Yeah, just for the record, no, he has jail credit, says
February 6th.
Yeah, I think the parties are in agreement that the clock should start on this case February 6th or 7th.
I'm not quite sure exactly what day the child endangering charge was filed. We can find out very quickly after the hearing, Judge.
All right, we're going to need to get that clarified. It's going to go into the entry. Who's the judge?
Judge Yost, Your Honor.
Judge Yost's case. All right? Very good. Okay, we have some documentation we need to send to the Supreme Court, and Diana, do you wish this to be all right.
Will do, Judge. Thank you.
Very good. All right. Count 1 states that on or about February 6, 2014, in the city of Conneaut, county of Asheville, and state of Ohio, that one Joshua L. Millian did purposely cause the death of another, to wit, Melanie Powell, date of birth October 22, 2009, who was under 13 years of age at the time of the commission of the offense, contrary to the form of the statute in violation of section 290301C of the Ohio Revised Code. That is the offense of aggravated murder, and there is a specification. It is called the course of conduct specification of count 1 pursuant to Revised Code 2929-0489. Grand jurors further find and specify that the defendant in the commission of the offense purposely caused the death of Melanie Powell, date of birth October 22, 2009, who was under 13 years of age at the time of the commission of the offense, and was the principal offender in the commission of the offense. And this is count 1, and this, as charged, is a capital offense.